First, go to Plugins from the WordPress dashboard. After that, click on Add Plugins from Plugins and wait a little. Then search for all plugins from the search bar for all-in-one WP migration. Then wait a little. Then click on the Install button for the most downloaded plugins. It will take some time to install. Click on one button after another. Now, if you go to the bottom of the WordPress dashboard, you will find an option which is All-in-One WP Migration. Click on it. Then from here, there are many options. From them, click on Export. Now, click on the file from the file. Will take some time. We will copy the entire website and replace it on another website. After that, a file will be ready for download called WPress. Click on it, then our desired file will be downloaded. This is a single copy of our current website. In the same way, from another WordPress site, click on All-in-One WP Migration, select the file from Import, select the WPress file, and the complete website is ready. We are skilled in creating complete websites, document editing, and web tools. You can make it from us, as given in the description.